What's going on, everybody? Cody Does It here, back at it again with another video. This is just gonna be a little short one, kind of a rant. I know technology and making life easier and whatnot for your car is cool and all. You guys love having your features and your options, but this is stupid. So I did that. Washed under the vehicle. Check the wiring, replace the sensor, and yet still does not work. Oh wait, I also updated the power sliding door module. That's two, but when you update one side, it'll update both. So anyways, guys, stop buying cars with these stupid features. Let's boycott it, because I'm tired of fixing dumb stuff like this. Alright guys, as always, like, comment, subscribe. And here, I'll show you real quick. This is the stupid part. This thing goes, and you probably won't believe me. I don't know how it even works with this over it. It goes inside of there, underneath the painted portion of the rocker cover. So, like I said, guys, thanks for watching, and thanks for all the support, you guys.